Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shreya. Welcome to yet another monthly beauty haul video. Why this haul video is special is because Amazon is going to run their Great Indian Festival sale from 3rd of October, which supposedly is Amazon's biggest sale of the year. So I thought, why not make a mini haul video? It might help you with recommendations and stuff. So yeah, if you want to know what I got from Amazon's beauty section, then please keep on watching. My first purchase is from a brand that I have never tried before this video. The one that I'm talking about is Iba Halal. It's their moisture rich lipstick in the shade A45 Glossy Natural, and this is how the outer packaging looks like, and this is how it looks like from inside. Again, this feels like the shade is really nice, such a pretty nude shade. I'll just swatch it for you all. Unfortunately, this did not flatter my skin tone so much. I have to outline my lips with a darker shade and then I go up and apply this, and it's just beautiful. If you are somebody who's on the lighter complexion side, this will be so pretty. Also with smoky eyes, a nude lip will look great. So yeah, this is a great shade, and this has a slight sheen to it. So yeah, this is not completely matte, and yeah, this is how it looks like. My next purchase in the makeup category is from the brand Maybelline. They have recently launched their Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Primer with Vitamin E, and this is how it looks like. Again, this comes in two different variants. The one that I have is normal to dry, and now my skin lately has been leaning towards the dry side. That is why I've got this variant. Also, if you have been following me for a while, you would notice that in my makeup tutorials I never use a primer. It is because I have a weird relationship with primers. I just feel they clog my pores and somehow I break out after using a primer, and this is a lot of things that goes on with me and primers in general. But nevertheless, I thought, why not try this one? Probably it will change my notion, and yeah, my skin will not react to this. So yeah, I've got this and I can't wait to try this. Honestly, I want to see what is the hype all about, like if my makeup lasts a lot different than it usually does. So yeah, up for trying this. So for my next purchase, guys, do you see something different? My lenses. I have again purchased colored lenses. Now if you are an OG subscriber, you would remember that I used to wear lenses back in the day, and I have always been a glass person. I feel more comfortable wearing a glass, but as I have mentioned in my previous video as well, that I will be going on a vacation this month, so I thought glasses are always not practical and I wanted to again purchase colored lenses. What I used to wear was from the same brand that I have once again purchased, which is Olens, and this is how I have received the package. I think it's amazing how they have packaged the product. It looks really nice. Okay, so again, I have different power on both the eyes, so I have to purchase two lenses separately of same power so that I can take one pair from this one, like one from this one and one from that one. That's how I always have to purchase lenses, is because different eyes का नहीं बनता है, at least Olens में तो नहीं बनता है. I have got their Spanish variant. It's their real grey version from the Spanish range, and I feel it's the most natural grey lenses that I've ever seen. I absolutely loved it. This is how the box looks like. Again, since I have purchased two lenses, I have got two boxes, one of one power and the other one from the another power. And I have also received two lens cases since I have ordered two different lenses, and this is how they look like. I have already opened one from the both the pairs, and this is how it looks like. These are so comfortable, and this has an expiry of 1 month. So yeah, it's pretty decent for the pricing as well. I feel if you are wanting to invest in a colored lenses and you're a bit skeptical as to how it'll look and stuff, and if you want it more towards the natural side, go ahead and try Olens. They are doing a fabulous job with lenses, so yeah, a must buy. With lens comes lens solution. So my next purchase is this lens solution from Bausch & Lomb, and it is 120 ml, which is pretty decent, and this is how it looks from inside. Again, very travel friendly, and it is going to last you pretty long. So yeah, this is one. My next three purchase is literally a restock. I have loved and raved about it time and again. The first one is a micellar water, no points for guessing, and this is from Garnier. Again, this is a travel size bottle, and that's the only reason I've got this size. Otherwise, I always invest in the 400 ml version. That is pretty practical and economical, and it's amazing. Next repurchase is a kajal from a brand that I've shown in my previous haul videos as well, and I've expressed how much I loved it. The one that I'm talking about is from House of Makeup. This is how it looks like. Again, this comes with a sharpener, and this is how it looks like from inside. I seem to have dropped the sharpener, so please excuse this clumsy person. This is how the swatch looks like. Again, very pigmented, and I tend to finish off kajal so quickly because I wear it almost every day, probably twice, sometimes once. I am a kajal person, you all clearly know that. So yeah, this is my next purchase. My next repurchase is a face wash by Bioderma. This is their Sebum Gel Moussant. If you all remember, I had purchased the smaller version, and I loved it so much that I've got this one as well. Again, this is such a blessing for acne prone skin type, so yeah, a must buy. My next purchase is a perfume from the brand French Factor, and it's in their variant Soul Bliss, and this is how the outer packaging looks like. Again, this has marble print all over it, and this is how it looks like from inside. The packaging is extremely luxurious, and the keynotes is floral, like jasmine, patchouli, amber, and if you are somebody who loves floral fragrance, you would absolutely love it. This lasts you for a decent amount of time, like 6 to 7 hours easily, and after that it just fades away, but still the smell is lingering. So yeah, this is a great purchase. Again, this comes in 2 other variants as well, so if you are into other keynotes, you can just check out the keynote that you prefer and you can purchase that. The last purchase is again a much hyped product. I am sure you all must have seen the L'Oreal's Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Cream on your feeds and everywhere, and this is how it looks like. Again, I wanted to see what the fuss is all about. I have used it twice, and I would say this is a decent cream. It has a cooling effect when you apply it, but this is not for someone who is on the drier side. This is not that hydrating. You will need additional moisturization, plus the quantity is pretty less. I mean, I'll just show you. This is the quantity. It's pretty less, and yeah, overall this is a decent cream. I wouldn't say a big fan, but surely something that you can try. This smells amazing. I almost dropped this, but yeah, this smells amazing. And yeah, if you are somebody who is on the oilier side, you can surely give this one a try. This will work pretty well for you. With that, we come to an end to this monthly beauty haul video. I hope you found this video helpful. With the festivities and everything coming along, I think you can use most of this product. So yeah, Great Indian Sale is going to be live on the 3rd of October. Don't forget to check out best deals on makeup and skincare and everything else. So yeah, hit that like button if you did like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below with any video requests or anything in general. I love reading your comments, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care.